2-mile trail.
They didn't tell us there's gonna be uphill.
Hello, squirrel.
얘는 도망가잖아. 그래서 키우면서 싹 가는 It's made out of 도토리묵.
Largemouth bass could live here. They live in a clean water.
Deeper. I mean, there are deeper ponds. These are just pathways, but I'm sure there are fish here.
Which are blackberries?
Yeah. These are blackberries. Oh, you see that? Oh, do you see the
I
lizards?
know lizard, yeah.
These are blackberries.
Oh.
That lives in Veronica's backyard.
Oh, nice. Love this walk path. Can you imagine it's just 5 miles away from our house. And ooh, look,
오, 저게 그
Yeah.
맛있는 돌고래.
and there are fish.
That's what they catch.
Graceful.
Wait, I want to look, see if there's fishes.
You don't see fish right here,
Where?
right there.
Oh, yeah, I see it now.
Oh, there's a fish.
Yeah, don't touch. They bite.
You're so cute. Look. You are. Hi.
This tree branch came down and started growing and became a tree. Wow, beautiful. Get the software.
Yeah, can we have some water? Hi. Hi, Judy. Don't climb on me though. I don't think so. Hi.
Oh no.
Hi. Hi.
No, no food for you.
Sorry. Bye.
Where are you going?